Hello, in the next 5 minutes I will show you how you can earn Bitcoin daily, and tons of it's paid instantly and directly to your very own Bitcoin wallet. You're about to learn about the most lucrative, the most exciting, and the very first fully decentralized Bitcoin matrix and uni-level project in the world. 100% of all income goes directly to you. Each member receives direct payments with absolutely no risk. Fully transparent and paid on the BTC blockchain. Welcome to the world of Qtrex. Qtrex's amazing and powerful opportunity and comp plan is 100% run on automation. Created by the people for the people. With absolute no human interference. Qtrex was created and built on the world's BTC blockchain for 100% transparency and security. You've heard of smart contracts? We like to call this smarter contract, utilizing the #1 cryptocurrency in the world, Bitcoin. Saving you extra fees, expense, time, and hassle, giving you extra flexibility, transparency, accessibility, and optimum scalability. It's your crypto. We believe this is the way it should be. Since everything is fully transparent and there's no middleman, changing of code is impossible. No one can interfere, including the creators, and even hackers will find it impossible. This is very important as it ensures that this project continues without interruptions of any sort. In fact, Qtrex's project has built a 99-year clock to run for an entire century. Also, what makes us different is unlike other crypto projects, the creators and founders of Qtrex.io never touch your crypto and never store your crypto. You have complete 100% control over your crypto. 100% of all Bitcoin payments go directly to you and are paid instantly into your Bitcoin wallet. This all happens daily and instantly. There are thousands of people each and every day joining the Qtrex.io project, and due to the life-changing experiences, the numbers increase each and every day. Now let's discuss the opportunity and how you can get started. With Qtrex, you can join for as little as $50 in BTC and up to $50,000 in BTC, with unlimited income potential. There is absolutely no cap to your earning potential. Qtrex's super aggressive compensation plan unlocks the doors of non-stop potential and possibilities. As mentioned, with absolutely no cap or limitations on how often or how much you can earn direct to your BTC wallet in seconds. Qtrex is helping thousands around the world earn massive Bitcoin payments, with some already earning dozens to hundreds of BTC already in just a very short time. With the incredible Qtrex Mega Uni-level and super aggressive 1x3 spill-up plan, you can earn income just by being forced to cycle, even with no recruitment. More on that in a moment. First, let's explore the simple yet explosive Qtrex compensation plan. Qtrex compensation plan was created to be easy to understand and non-complicated for the masses. So no PhD needed here. All entries are instantly simultaneously split into the upper queue and the lower queue, and paid instantly. The system automatically instantly places 50% into the upper queue's mega-powered uni-level, and 50% into the lower queue's explosive 1x3 perpetual matrix. Packages are as follows. Q1, $50, Q2, $75, Q3, $125, Q4, $250, Q5, $500, Q6, $750, Q7, $1,000, Q8, $2,000, Q9, $5,000, Q10, $10,000, Q11, $20,000, and Q12, $50,000. Now let's take a closer look at how this BTC splitting machine works. For example purposes, let's use the Q7 $1,000 package. With the Q7 package, each person that enters and joins you at that level $500 in BTC is entered into the upper queue paid directly to you. Only exception is your 3rd and 10th entry, which passes up to your sponsor. All other entries are paid directly to you, giving you instant direct payments till infinity for life. Non-stop, over and over and over. Also, keep in mind each of your personals will also pass up their 3rd and 10th personals to you as their sponsor. Also, with the Q7 package, $500 in BTC is instantly entered in the lower queue into the powerful 1x3 matrix. Entry 1 and Entry 2 goes directly to your wallet and paid instantly. Entry 3 goes directly to your sponsor, causing you to cycle instantly. Each time you cycle, you earn $1,000 in BTC over and over again, non-stop. You then follow your sponsor into their new matrix and the process starts all over again, as others fall into your upper and lower queue over and over. The upper queue and the lower queue both operate simultaneously, spitting out payouts to you so fast you couldn't stop it if you wanted to. Yes, we've all heard of spillover, but have you ever heard of spill up? As I mentioned in the beginning, in the Qtrex system, there's no risk. You can earn even without sponsoring. This happens due to the super aggressive compensation plan and the lightning fast 1x3 matrix. Every person entered is automatically entered into their sponsor's upper queue and lower queue. So landing in your sponsor's 1x3 alone is a gift, as each time the matrix cycles, you move. Your turn to cycle causes you to also follow your sponsor back into their BC spitting matrix. Of course, a little effort on your end will cause your success to move even faster and your earnings to grow even more massively. But it's not required. Qtrex is a true, fully transparent, zero-risk opportunity to the masses globally. Keep in mind you can only benefit from your chosen level package of participation. You can join any and/or all packages, but must join the packages lower than your desired package in order to qualify to select higher levels. Example: want to join Q7 package? You must also secure packages Q1 through Q6, even though it's not required, but highly recommended. Many members and leaders secure at least 4 to 6 packages, and most leaders choose to select all packages to ensure they are covered and not miss any excited new partners joining or potential spill up from below. Massive unlimited, perpetual, non-stop income with Qtrex.io is possible by locking in now. As we grow, you grow. Qtrex is not a get-rich scheme. Income is not guaranteed. Results may vary based on your efforts to ensure success, growth, and income. Qtrex global team provides all resources, training, and support, as well as select products you can use absolutely free to all members to help you reach your goals. Each member pays monthly Trex maintenance of only $49. Bitcoin is booming and is expected to reach over $50,000 to $100,000 per coin. Get yours now. Get started now. Here's how to. Step 1. Secure and sign up for your own Bitcoin wallet to send and receive BTC payments through. Example, blockchain, etc. Step 2. Secure and deposit enough BTC to cover the amount needed for your desired package levels and Trex maintenance. Click Get Started now to begin your Qtrex journey. Qtrex.io, the world's most exciting and most lucrative 100% decentralized Bitcoin matrix and uni-level project and system on the planet. Qtrex is the way and your way.